Because if you're not paying attention to every little thing that's going on, you're missing so much information. Even out of the corner of my eye, I'm watching how jurors are reacting. Or my co-counsel is watching while I'm watching something else and will pass me a note. Focus on number 3. You're losing that juror. Or they're nodding. Or counsel is, doing something distracting. Just being hyper aware of all that kind of stuff is part of being an improviser. Being on stage in the moment.
On Tuesday, and then on Friday, they were like, she didn't have this thing fall on her. This gate didn't fall. It was, she fell inside the property. And I'm like, does that make any sense? So I got a chance to get on rebuttal.
Yeah.
I'm like, does that make any sense? So she fell, she breaks her nose, she's bleeding, and she has what they call an orbital fracture, which is right under your socket, right under your eye socket. And her husband somehow picks her up, takes her all the way to the front gate, and then after that, he somehow manages, with no one looking in a very busy street, to make sure this gate falls on her.
Most lawyers have never, ever been trained on performance. Never. They don't train it at law school. They don't train it in mock court. They don't train it anywhere. Because to be a great performer in the courtroom it's all about connection. But connection is multifaceted. And connection involves a variety of skills, like eye contact. Like training ourselves to make eye contact before we start talking to somebody and holding that eye contact while we're talking to them. And we're done pausing for a minute, disconnecting, finding that next juror, making eye contact with them before we start talking. Being mindful of the pace of our voice and the volume of our voice, because these are things that people don't even think about.